Hello everyone and welcome to our vlog. We are so happy to have you here. We are so happy you are watching our videos. Today we are going to take you to one of the most interesting festivals which holds every year in Iran. It is Rose Watering Festival and it's really beautiful. So if you are interested in seeing what happened in this kind of festivals in Iran, walk with us today. Rosewater Festival is one of the most interesting and beautiful festivals in Iran, and it's really interesting for foreigner tourists who are visiting Iran to attend in this festival. So if you are planning to have a visit in Iran, please calendar it between May and June. And if you are gonna visit Iran, the spring is the most amazing and beautiful season for visiting this country. You have the chance to see the beauty of spring in Shiraz, and you have the chance to visit Rosewater Festival in Kashan. Rosewater Festival holds every year in Kashan. It used to hold in Shiraz, but it has been about 30 years that it's now holding Kashan. And don't miss the chance to visit this city and attend in this festival. I don't see any flowers here and I don't know what's going on, but maybe we are so unlucky this year.
الان فصل اردیبهشته، فصل گلابگیری اوایل گلابگیری یه خورده گل کمه، باقی گلا رو صبح زودتر میچینن، برای همین خاطر ما گلش رو چیندیم آوردیم. الان میخوایم گل رو بریزیم. گلابگیری به دو صورته، گلابگیری سنتی داریم، دستگاه صنعتی های بزرگ هم داریم که ما نداریم اینجا. دستگاه سنتی حتما باید مسی باشه. 30 کیلو گل محمدی و به اضافه 65 تا 70 لیتر آب میریزن داخل این دیگا. گل با آب میجوشه، هولوش 8 تا 10 ساعت بخار میشه. بخارش میاد توی محفظه گنبدی شکل. الان دست بذارید داخل، با فشاری که پشتشه میاد داخل این لوله ها، توسط این لوله ها میره داخل پارچه‌ای که تو آب سرده. دست بذارید داخل، چون آب سرد داخل آب سرد دور پارچه بخار تبدیل به مایع میشه. اینو میگن گلاب یه آتیشه.
He is talking about the process of rose watering and all the benefits of rose water and the usage of it in different aspects like industry and pharmacological uses. And the rose watering process is a really complicated process, and I can't give you all the detail that this guy is talking about, and it's not necessary. It's just interesting for us. And if you are curious about the details, you can search rosewater process in Iran in internet, and you will get really great responses. What are these? Could you give me an explanation about these?
These are different extracts of different flowers and plants, which can help you with a lot of disease or things like stomach ache or stuff like that. These are for losing weight.
For your information, Kashan, our city in Iran, is famous for its extraction of plants and other flowers, as you can see here. And many of them are useful for some pains in your bodies, and it can help you heal the pains. So if you are watching this part of the video, it means you watched the whole video, and I don't know in what language. I thank you for supporting us and watching our videos till the end. I hope you enjoy this vlog. Please write your opinions about this vlog and other videos for us. It really helps us improve our videos. And thanks for working with us. Bye.